A further advantage of the Wichmann Cable Box is that it can also be employed to already laid cables. The upper part of the box is removed by bending the metal clips upwards. The separated parts of the Wichmann Cable Box can be reassembled around the cables and then installed into the wall or ceiling. The installation of the Wichmann Cable Box in standard dry partition walls is as easy as in the case of solid walls, as an additional embrasure in the opening is not necessary. The installation of the cable boxes in dry partition walls is carried out by means of gypsum and in solid walls with mortar. If the gap does not exceed the width of 2 cm, one can also use the Easy Foam fire protection foam instead of mortar or plaster. Installing the box with foam is considerably faster. In this case, the Easy Foam Cable Box must be used. This box is additionally bonded with 2 circumferential intumescent stripes. Place the already cut Easy Foam stopper. Seal both sides with sealant. Finally, the provided cachet is fixed.